We all had one of those days that we didn't have enough time or forgotten to take the frozen food out to thaw, and then you come back home and you don't know what to do. I have my method using an air fryer. You will have your chicken breast ready in an hour. Start by adding some air fryer paper and then throw the chicken in. Cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes with nothing on it, no cooking oil or seasoning. Once the 12 minutes is up, immediately take it out and flip the chicken over to cook on the other side, making sure that you don't cut the air fryer paper or burn yourself in the process. Cook it again in the same temperature and time. Once it's done, don't rush to take it out. Leave it for another 12 minutes so that the temperature will equalize across the chicken. And after the 36 minutes, we are ready for the seasoning. Transfer the chicken to a clean plate. Change the air fryer paper. Don't worry if your chicken produces a white substance called albumin. You can Google what it is and go down the rabbit hole. Basically, it's a product of not thawing your meat and it's safe to eat. However, I prefer to remove it using a spoon or a paper towel. Next, we will oil the chicken with some neutral oil, like canola oil or sunflower oil. Add our preferred seasoning. I will be using taco seasoning. Cover the chicken breast completely and evenly. And then add it to the air fryer bucket. And now we're ready to cook at a lower temperature, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Once it's done, you can flip it over. And cook the chicken on the other side with the same amount of time and temperature. Once it's done, you will have this. I recommend flipping it over and letting it cool for a while. 8 minutes is more than enough. With that, your chicken is ready to be served. And this is what it looks like in the end. It took about an hour. You can enjoy this with your favorite tortilla, rice, or even pasta. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the video with your friend who forgets to thaw his food. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video.